Welcome to the ConMet Service Video Series. My name is Jason Galbraith, National Service Manager for ConMet. Today, our service video is about guiding you through essential in-service inspection procedures that are fundamental to the long-term reliability of your wheel end systems. These checks are designed to ensure that every component of your hub assembly is in top working condition. Fastener inspection. Let's begin our wheel end inspection by closely examining the fasteners. Look for any loose, damaged, or missing fasteners on the wheel and hub cap. Rust streaks or any discoloration around the studs can indicate that they have not been torqued correctly. Such instances must be cleaned thoroughly and retorqued to the proper specification. Improper torque can lead to uneven tire wear and more serious outcomes, including wheel detachment. Another indication of a potential issue is elongated fasteners. This can occur due to over-torquing, which stretches the fastener beyond its elastic limit, causing it to lose its strength and structural integrity. Damaged fasteners must be replaced immediately to ensure the safety and integrity of the system. After re-torquing or replacing the necessary components, perform a final inspection to confirm that all fasteners are secure. Hubcap inspection. For wheel ends equipped with hubcaps, a damaged, missing, or loose hubcap is a serious concern. To ensure your hubcap remains within in-service expectations, please refer to your hubcap manufacturer's recommendations. Lubricant leak detection. To effectively manage lubricant leaks, begin by examining the hubcap or drive axle flange gasket, oil fill plug, and oil seal areas. Be on the lookout for any signs of oil or grease residues, which typically indicate a leak. Visible lubricant on the hub or brake components indicates a leak. Identifying the source of the leak is critical to addressing the underlying issue. Lubricant level check. Maintaining the proper level of lubricant within your wheel end system will keep your bearings operating smoothly. In oil-lubricated hubs with hubcaps, begin by examining the hubcap window to check the current level of lubricant. The oil level should be visible through the window and should ideally be at or slightly below the center line of the hubcap window. For hubs without a hubcap window, you'll need to remove the fill plug. The lubricant should be level with the bottom of the fill hole. If the level is found to be low, proceed to refill with the appropriate type of lubricant. Always adhere to your vehicle's specifications for the correct lubricant to maintain system integrity and performance. Refer to ConMet specification 10009945 for an approved list of lubricants in your wheel end. Lubricant condition assessment. The state of your vehicle's lubricant is a telltale indicator of your wheel end system's condition. Begin your assessment with a visual check through the hubcap window. For wheel ends without hubcap windows, you will need to remove the fill plug to examine the lubricant. If you are working with semi-fluid, grease-lubricated hubs, inspection usually requires removing the hubcap to check the condition of the semi-fluid grease directly. Lubricant that is darkened, milky, shows water in it, or has large metallic particles in it is indicative of contamination or a part failure and must be replaced. In oil-lubricated wheel ends, a magnet or magnetic fill plug can be used to check for metallic debris within the lubricant. If any signs of contamination are found, the wheel end will need to be torn down and inspected. Bearing inspection. Next, we will talk about bearings. With the axle lifted and supported, check to see that the wheel rotates freely and smoothly. Listen and feel for any signs of rough bearing operation or vibration. Be sure to follow all of the safety procedures and equipment requirements of your organization. Another common inspection can be conducted with a pry bar to test for chucking, an indicator of loose bearings. To conduct the inspection, insert the pry bar beneath the tire, making sure the tool firmly contacts the wheel's underside. Gently leverage the bar upwards to lift the tire off the ground. Watch for any vertical movement of the tire. Motion here can indicate looseness in the wheel bearings, known as chucking. This play, while it may seem minor, can indicate an issue with the bearings. These inspections are essential for identifying and resolving potential issues before they progress into major problems that can lead to unexpected breakdowns, accidents, or costly repairs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can watch more service videos like this. See you next time.